Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open ComfyUI Manager menu. So if you are looking for the Manager button, which is typically located in the top right corner, it was blue button, um, and that you download it now, the newer version, you will see that this button doesn't exist anymore. So as you can probably figure it out that it depends of the version of Comfy. So yeah, today I will show you how you basically get into the manager. So it's pretty straightforward. Up here at the top right corner, as it was before, you will see this button extension. So if you click on it, you will see here on the left menu that you can select. So you have all extension, and then you can also sort not installed, or at this section installed you have all installed, update available, conflicts, workflow also. And yeah, at the top right here you can select node packs. You can sort here at the top right corner. Also, if you don't see this button right here, you can go here on the left. You will see this menu, and right here, if you go here to this comfy icon, so the menu, then you can see here at the bottom this extension right here. It's the same as at the top right corner. So yeah, this is how you can access to the manager. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.